Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I have a really cool hack for you when it comes to baby oil. And no, we're not putting this in our toilet or our toilet paper roll today, although that is excellent as well. We're doing it here on my door. Let me show you two little tricks here. One you may have heard of, the other you may have not. Let's just open the door and listen. That's annoying. So I'm searching around my house looking for my WD-40 and it is nowhere to be found. So today we're gonna take some baby oil. I have a microfiber towel. I'm gonna put a lot on here. It smells amazing. By the way, you could take a paper towel as well. And we're just gonna lubricate the hinges right here. Remember I said I have another hack here for you. Other than this one, I think we're gonna need a lot more. I mean, this is a really squeaky door. My goodness, get all up in here in these hinges. I was gonna use cooking spray, but it has a slight tint to it. This just smells better. Who doesn't want to smell freshness when they're coming in from a smelly, dirty garage? I went all along the inside of the door as well. Let's see what happens. All right, survey says, my friend, let's open this door. Ooh, that one's making noise. Let's try that again. Ooh. Okay, we don't have the loud squeak. This is telling me we need a little bit more down here. Let's get crazy up in there, shall we? Take our microfiber towel. I'm gonna rub that in again. There we go. Do-do-do. Ooh. Just a tiny little creak in there. Ooh, did you hear that? A little over there. Oh, that is so much better. Smells better than WD-40. So I came back a few minutes later to see if the baby oil just needed to sit in those grooves a wee bit longer. Listen. Oh my goodness! Okay, now I'm super impressed. I let the oil sit in there for over 24 hours. Listen to this, my friend. Nothing! So good. All right, here's the second trick. Make sure that you have a little more baby oil right here. Now you can see this door is very dirty up in here. Put it on any sort of dirt, scuff marks that you have, particularly if this is going into a garage, and the oil is gonna help lift all that and you can see right here, lift, it's looking so good. And then it's gonna create a barrier between future gunk and junk that sticks to your garage door or any door for that matter. Ooh, I could be here all day, my goodness. All right, my friend, give this video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now if you want to see some additional life and cleaning hacks that are game changing.